Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing SketchWow. So if you don't know what SketchWow is, it is a user-friendly diagramming and visual storytelling tool that stands out for its hand-drawn aesthetic and intuitive interface. As you can see right here, this is the interface, just like Canva. So it is designed for professionals across various industries, and it enables users to create engaging visuals such as infographics, flowcharts, and animations without requiring advanced design skills. Now let's go over their pros and cons. So the pros of SketchWow is that it's ease of use, it has a hand-drawn aesthetic which appeals to a lot of people, and it has AI integration and has a one-time payment. Unlike many competitors, SketchWow offers a one-time purchase model with free updates, providing excellent value. It also has versatile templates for you to choose from. And that's where the pros end. So the cons of it is that it has limited advanced features, and some users note that the absence of certain advanced functionalities found in other diagramming tools. It also has an interface navigation that a few users mention that navigating between elements can occasionally be less intuitive, and the template overload. So the abundance of templates may be overwhelming for some users, making it challenging to choose the right one. So, that is it. That is my review and the pros and cons of SketchWow. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.